Sick of watching good rainwater run straight down the drain? Let's build a simple backyard rainwater collection system for your garden. It saves on water bills and keeps your plants thriving, especially during dry spells. Start by placing a clean, food-grade barrel or tank under a downpipe from your house or shed. Ensure the base is level and sturdy. Concrete pavers or bricks work well. Fit a fine mesh screen over the inlet to keep out leaves, debris, and mozzies. Attach a diverter kit to the downpipe so rainwater flows into the tank, but excess water can still escape safely. For easy access, add a tap or hose fitting near the bottom of the barrel. Never use painted or chemical drums. Stick to certified food-safe containers to avoid contamination. Position your tank close to the garden to avoid carrying heavy watering cans across the yard. After the first good rain, you'll have free water ready to use. The key is regular maintenance. Empty and rinse your barrel every few months to prevent sludge and smells. With this setup, you'll save water and make the most of every drop for a healthier garden.